Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to collect payments using Typeform. This is incredibly useful if you're running a business, accepting registrations, or selling products directly through your forms. If you want to get started on Typeform, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, open your web browser and navigate to typeform.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. This will bring you to your Typeform dashboard where all your forms are stored and managed. Now look over to the left panel and click on plus create a new form. This will open up a menu with several options for creating your form. From these options, select Start from Scratch. This gives you a blank canvas to build exactly what you need. Once you've done that, click on Welcome Screen to begin setting up your form's initial page. Next, you'll want to add the payment functionality. Click on plus Add Content, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Payment. This is where you'll integrate your payment processor into the form. You'll now see options to choose your payment provider. Typeform supports both Stripe and PayPal. For this example, let's say you want to use Stripe. Click on Connect next to Stripe to begin the integration process. In the right panel, you'll see another Connect button appear. Click this button, then select Connect with Stripe. This will redirect you to Stripe's login page where you'll need to log into your Stripe account. If you don't have a Stripe account yet, you'll need to create one first, but I'll show you the next steps assuming you've already connected. Once you've successfully connected your Stripe account, you'll be taken back to Typeform. Here you need to select your currency from the drop-down menu under Stripe settings. This ensures that customers are charged in the correct currency for your business or region. Now comes an important setting. You'll see a toggle labeled Required. If you turn this on, payment must be completed in order for someone to submit the form. Keep in mind that Stripe requires a minimum payment of 50 cents, so if you enable this, make sure your payment amount meets that threshold. This setting is crucial if you're selling products or services and need guaranteed payment before accepting submissions. Finally, once everything is configured to your liking, click Publish in the top right corner of the screen. After publishing, click Share to access your form URL or embed code. You can then distribute this link through email, social media, or embed it directly on your website to start collecting payments. And there you have it. You've successfully set up payment collection through Typeform using Stripe. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.